Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this story could not be loaded or your Facebook story not showing issue using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you receive an error message where it says this story could not be loaded while opening up the Facebook stories of your friends, then here's how to solve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected to an internet, your problem might be fixed. Go and open your Facebook app, open up a story of your friends and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for a Facebook update. If your application is not updated often, then you might be going through this issue. Go and tap open your Play Store from your Android device and in the search box at the top, type in Facebook. Perform your search, and if you see an update button right next to the Facebook app, simply tap on that button since you'll need to download an update right away. If you see an open button, it means your application is up to date. Simply open your application after you've completed the upload and go ahead and open up a story to see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, then simply hold your Facebook app icon from your app drawer and tap on App Info option. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache at the bottom right, and once you clear out the cache data of your Facebook application, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. Make sure that you know your credentials for your Facebook account since clearing your data will delete the application's data. Tap on OK in order to continue and go open your Facebook application and see if that fixes your story issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could consider whenever you are going through this story could not be loaded on Facebook issue. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.